ridiculously fun. If you're looking for a good time, you have just found one. Bucket list fulfillment central, we are here for you to help you do and see all the things you wanted to. All your meals, transportation, you just show up and vacation. We have stepped outside the box, picked our rallies up a notch. Rivoli Rallies, ridiculously fun. Life's too short to wait, my friend, it's time to book you one. We are gonna bring out the inner child in you and make memories that will last your whole life through. Said Rivoli Rallies, ridiculously fun. I said Rivoli Rallies, ridiculously fun. Rivoli Rallies, ridiculously fun. Come on, time to book you one.
That's Rivoli with a capital RV.
Hi folks, this is Kay Rivoli, and I'd like to invite you to one of our ridiculously fun Rivoli rallies. The pictures you've just seen are from Savannah 2018, and we'll be running Savannah again April 22nd through May 6th of 2019. Join us for spirits, smiles, and sunshine, and make memories to last a lifetime. Folks, life's just too short to wait.